In this video, I'm going to be going over the top 4 accessories you need to go purchase right now if you want to upgrade your current setup at home, your tech setup, your gaming setup, your productivity setup. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, smash that subscribe button, like this video if you find it useful. Let's get into the top 4 accessories you need to level up your setup at home. First thing on this list is going to be a mouse. I mean, that's like pretty self-explanatory. If you want a nice PC setup or desk setup or what have you, you need a nice mouse to go along with it. So for a while, I always bought like the gaming mice, like Red Dragon mice I had in the past and stuff like that. Usually the cheap mice for the most part. I actually did have a Razer mouse and I liked it at all, but it was good for gaming. However, like I'm not a huge like PC gamer. I don't usually use a mouse and keyboard if I'm gaming on PC. I would use a controller sometimes. I got this one right here, Logitech MX2S. I don't know if I've done like a full review on this channel of this. I don't think I have, but this has been recommended by countless and countless tech reviewers out there and tech YouTubers because of how great like you can improve your productivity because of this. Has a nice infinite scroll wheel on the top right here, 2 standard buttons, a DPI button. It can literally work on almost any surface, like even glass if you wanted to. It's Bluetooth. You can switch between devices. So there's a button at the bottom right here that says 1, 2, and 3. So you can switch between 3 devices and connect to them all at the same time. You have a horizontal scroll wheel on the side right here. This is great for video editing if you need to scroll through your timeline. And you also have 2 side buttons as well, which you can map to like literally anything. The software to go along with this is phenomenal. So that's why this is one of my favorite mice of all time. Okay, next on our list is going to be a keyboard. I've talked about this keyboard a gazillion times. I can't recommend it enough. Keychron K4 Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard. Here's a sound test, but I've done a full video on this, actually several videos. USB Type-C for charging. Batteries lasted me literally months on end without having to charge it. It's backlit. I like the orange escape key in the top left. I think it gives it a good contrast. I like the overall look of it. A little bit chunky or a little bit on like the thicker side, so you may need like a wrist rest for this. I wouldn't say it's like necessary, but like it is good to have and definitely takes stress off your wrists. Also has flaps if you want to like make it go higher if you want, but overall I like this. Has a bunch of cool lighting effects as well. It's a great mechanical keyboard, not only for like typing out paragraphs if you're working on like writing a document for class or something, but also like you can use this for gaming if you really want to. Every setup needs obviously is a monitor right here. So I don't know what specific Scepter monitor this is. It has like it's on Amazon, I'll link it below, but like it's like E2- something. I can't remember the model number off the top of my head, but it is a Scepter monitor and it says Scott Tyler right there. That's pretty sick. It's got 165 hertz refresh rate. So if you're looking to upgrade your setup, higher refresh rate monitor will make everything look and feel amazing. Also super useful for gaming. It's got like 1 millisecond response time, 25 inches, 1080p monitor. If you want to, I would, if you have the funds for it, maybe jump up to 1440p just for that extra sharpness if you want to like maybe watch some movies on here. But 1080p for the most part like gets the job done. I don't really have too many complaints. Nothing's pixelated. Everything's full HD resolution, pretty sharp. Color accuracy is also really good. Nice saturated punchy colors. It's a TN panel. It's anti-reflective, so that's also a plus if you're working in like heavy sunlight. I'm not, but however, like even though it's a TN panel, I think the contrast levels are pretty solid. So it's also got like AMD FreeSync if you're into that sort of thing. I don't know what percent of the RGB color spectrum this has, but it's pretty solid, and you can adjust all the settings manually if you really want to. Highly recommend this Scepter monitor and its budget. I got this thing for like $180 when I first built my PC setup. Every dope tech setup or productivity setup, what have you, needs a nice pair of headphones. What headphones do I have, ladies and gentlemen? These are the Philips SHP 9600s, also available on Amazon, as you can see behind me. And to go along with this, since they don't have a built-in mic included, I actually like purchased a separate microphone for these. I'm blanking on the name of this microphone, however, highly recommend it. I'll link it down below. What I like about these headphones are they're somewhat open back. Just the overall sound is like open back. Nice padding on the top, nice padding on the ear cups, absolutely giant ear cups here. Sound quality, honestly, I'd give like a 9.5 out of 10. And I like the design overall. I use these for video editing. I use these for gaming, just listening to music casually. So very universal, and you can, I mean, it's a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So if you want to plug this into your phone, if you still have a headphone jack, you can do that as well. I like the versatility in these, and the other good thing is that they're only literally like $85 on Amazon, so super budget, and these are some of the best headphones for this price. I'd say the sound quality is like on par with $300 headphones. That's just my opinion. And it also comes with like an inline mute switch as well, and also volume adjuster. But I love these headphones, and I highly recommend them. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you found these items useful. As I said, I'll link these down below. They're all like available on Amazon. You can go pick them up. I think these products will level up your system or your setup immensely. And if you got any value out of this, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I guess another thing you could do, like, is just upgrade your PC, I guess, if you really want to upgrade your setup. However, that's like something you do like every couple of years or so. I don't have any incentive to upgrade my PC right now. Maybe the graphics card eventually, but right now I like my PC, and that's definitely something you guys should consider if you're looking to upgrade your overall setup. Appreciate you guys watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video by Scott Tyler. Peace out, everyone.